Let's try pink pasta. So I didn't even know this was a thing up until a few weeks ago, but apparently pink pasta, and correct me if I'm wrong, is just a red sauce mixed with a white sauce. And then you mix it and it turns into this pink color, which is why I guess it's called pink pasta. So I made a simple red sauce with anchovies, San Marzano tomatoes, garlic, chili powder, some basil. And for my white sauce, it was just cream, milk, some mascarpone cheese, parmesan, black pepper, onion, and garlic powder. And those are my two sauces. And when you mix it, you get this. I mainly taste the red sauce, but it's creamier because of the white sauce. I don't really taste too much of the actual white sauce. If I can think hard about it, then yeah, I can taste the white sauce, but it's mainly just the red sauce that's a bit creamier. That's basically it. It's good, but do I prefer this over eating red pasta or white pasta by itself? I guess you can just say it's in its own category. Like, you don't have to choose this over one or the other. I would give this a solid 8.9 out of 10. It's nice.